Hi students, in previous class I explained about properties of the sides of a triangle and Pythagoras property and two facial triangles. In this lecture for mathematics 7th class, triangles and its properties, some example problems I can explaining you. First question, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B equal 116 degree and angle B plus angle C is equal 126 degree. Find the measure of each angle. Find the measure of each angle. I draw the one rough diagram triangle. One triangle rough diagram. A, B, C. Already here given that in triangle A, B, C. First here angle A plus angle B is equal to how much? 116 degree. Here angle A is equal, this B transferred to the RHS side comes minus 116 degree minus angle B. Second one what here? Angle B plus angle C is equal 126 degree. Angle C is equal 126 degree minus angle B. See here angle B take as only the B and here angle A how much here? 116 degree minus angle B. Angle C how much? 126 degree minus angle B. Here I am using the angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property. Angle sum property means sum of the three angles are equal to 180 degree. Sum of the three angles are equal to 180 degree. Angle A how much here? 116 degree minus angle B plus angle B directly write angle B. Angle C how much? 126 degree minus angle B is equal 180 degree here. Minus and plus, minus angle B plus angle B is the cancel. Next here 116 plus 126. 116 plus 126. 6 plus 6, 12, 1 carry here. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 242 degree minus angle B is equal 180 degree here. Minus B, LHS there now, this one transferred to the RHS. 120 is transferred to the LHS at 222 degree minus 180 degree is equal to angle B here. Subtraction 180, here 2 comes taking here. 14 minus 8 how much? 6. So here angle B is equal to how much? 62 degree. Angle B is equal to how much? 62 degree. Next find out the angle A now. Angle A is equal 116 degree minus angle B now. Angle B how much is? 62 degree. 116 degree minus 62 degree here. 116 minus 62 means here 4. 11 minus 6, 5. So here 54 degree. Angle C is equal next one 126 degree minus angle B. 126 degree minus 62 degree. Here 126 minus 62. 6 minus 2, 4. 12 minus 6, 6 here 64 degree. What is the angle C? And next this is the angle A. See, find the angle here. What? Find the measure of each angle. First angle is the angle B is equal 62 degree and second one angle A is equal 54 degree. Third one angle C is equal 64 degree. Next the second example. Next second example. Next one. Second example problem. Second example problem. Second one. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. What is the second question? ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD? I am taking figure, quadrilateral figure. The quadrilateral given name A, B, C, D is the diagonals, AC is the diagonal and BD is the diagonal. Here triangle ABC1, BCD2, CDA3, DAB4. Here we are using first one. Sum of any two sides equal greater than the third side. Here sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. What here? Sum of the any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. First figure, your first triangle, I am taking triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, what comes here? AB plus BC greater than AC is the first one. This is triangle ABC. Second one BCD. Second one triangle BCD. What comes here? BC plus CD greater than BD. It is the 2. And next one, third one, triangle CDA. Triangle CDA here. CD plus DA greater than AC. It is the third one. And next triangle DAB. Next triangle DAB. What comes here? DA plus AB greater than BD. It is the fourth one. Next, adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first one, what here? AB plus BC plus second one BC plus CD, third one CD plus DA plus fourth one DA plus AB greater than here AC plus BD plus AC plus BD here AB plus AB 2AB, AB plus AB 2AB. Next here BC plus BC 2BC, CD plus CD 2CD plus DA plus DA 2DA greater than AC plus AC 2AC plus BD plus BD 2BD here. 2 right outside AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than 2 outside AC plus BD. The 2 is the cancel. 2 is the cancel. Left what? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. This is our question solving here. See here. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. Next third question. Next one more last question. Third one. Next third one. Next third question is find the parameter find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 meter, and a diagonal is 41 centimeter. So this is also centimeter. What's the question? Third question, find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and a diagonal is 41 centimeter. What's the find out here? Perimeter of the rectangle. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal and each angle is right angle. I am drawing the rough figure. Rectangle rough figure. The rectangle, opposite sides are equal and each angle is right angle. Giving the names A, B, C and D. I am taking the length here 40 centimeter and this breadth is say X, and this is the diagonal, and this is also diagonal. One diagonal how much here? 41 centimeter. First, given that here, what the given here? AB equal to DC. AB is equal to DC how much here? 40 centimeter. And AD equal to BC is equal to say X. And diagonal AC equal to BD equal to how much? 41 centimeter. Pythagoras property. What I am using? Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property. What is the Pythagoras property? Hypotenuse square equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. This is the hypotenuse means here. BD is the hypotenuse square equal to here AB square plus AD square. BD how much here? BD is the 41 centimeters. 41 square equal to AB how much? Say X, and AD how much? Sorry, BD is 41. AB how much here? Sir. Here 1 minute. BC square plus AD square plus AD. So AD square plus AB square plus AD. So here first one, AB is equal 40 centimeter square plus AD is how much? X centimeter square. 41 square means 41 into 41. 41 into 41 means 1 1s are 1, 1 4s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16 here. 1, 8, 1, 6. Here next one, 40 square. 40 square means 40 into 40. 0 into 0, 0 into 4, 0. 4 into 0, 0. 4 4s are 16 here. 1600. 41 means here 1681 is equal to 1600 plus x square. Here next one. Here this RHS transferred to the LHS side. Here 1681 minus 1600 equal x square. Here 1681 minus 1600 means 81 equal x square. X square is equal 9 into 9. 81 means 9 9s are 81. X square is equal 9 square. Square is cancel. X is equal 9. X is equal 9. Next, what you find out here? Perimeter of the rectangle. Now this is the length, and what is the perimeter of rectangle formula? Perimeter of the rectangle equal 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. 2. L means of 40. 40 plus B means what? Breadth. X value is 9. Take plus 9. Here 2 into 40 plus 9 how much? 49. 2 into 49 how much? 98 centimeter. See here, what is the question? Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and a diagonal is 41 centimeter. Given that I am writing here. Next here, what Pythagoras property I can use here? So, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. 41 square plus equal to 40 square plus x square is equal to 41 square means 1681 equals 1600 plus x square. 1681 minus 1600 equal x square. Here 81 equal x square. 81 means 9 into 9. Square cancel. X value is 9. Here perimeter of the rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. L means length. Length means 40 centimeter. B means breadth. Breadth means x value is 9. Here 2 into 40 plus 9 49, and next here 2 into 49 48 centimeter. Thank you, students.